Kamal Pandey is present today. Mr. Kamal Pandey, unmute your mic and video, both. Kamal Pandey. He is not present. I have seen that in the beginning, perhaps the Kamal Pandey was present. How he will get the marks in the internal examination? If suppose there will not be the internal marks, then finally there may be some problem. Communicate to him. All the student got the syllabus of media and law. I have the photocopy sent in the group just now, 5 minutes before. And go through this syllabi, and the whole syllabus perhaps will be available with the Sajad. Ask to the Sajad, and teachers are also making complaint that they have no syllabus unit wise, and that will be available in the website. I have also taken this syllabus from that source also. Then ask to the Sajad, he will have this present syllabus. Now, if that gentleman is not present, we will go through the lecture which I have left yesterday. That was the historical background of film. Because under the media, there is not only the newspaper as a subject matter, but the film and other sources of the information are also there. And a detailed study required to be done by we, including the students, on the media. One thing is very clear, that there is no prescribed book on the law and media. And because of the reason that the various topics as such are not available in a comprehensive book. But some attempt has been made by the Law Institute, and that is also not available in the Law Institute, out of print. And then search the material from the website and collect it, download it, and open the file. Some researchers done work on the media, and their books and work is available in the website. I have seen various books are there in the website. And download, there is no cost of these books, these materials. Free material is available. Various sites are there. Not only the Wikipedia, that is not sufficient, and there are some mistakes also. And a book, you will get some chapter in the book that is available. This is my advice to all the students. Don't worry about the material, please. This is one. The second is that I will assign the assignment of this paper in the month of the August, so that the student will be able to do work comfortably. And topics will not be the same as it is written in the unit-wise chapters. Somehow these topics will be the not out of syllabus, but some complicated topics will be there so that you may be in position, or you will try to write the topics in a different manner, where it will require to collect the material from various sources and analyze it. In one source, the complete material you will not get of that topic which will be allotted to the students. These are the primary information. And one more information is also there. Yesterday I have seen the circular of the UGC, University Grant Commission. Grant Commission has suggested again, on the basis of the report submitted by the committee as constituted by the commission, that there shall be the examination in the month of September. They have given the date, examination of this semester. They have written the final semester examination, but this is your first and final. There is no earlier semester. It is a first semester, and the examination marks of previous semesters are not there. That's why earlier I have announced that if there will be any examination of the university, your examination will also be there. I will request to the university, because at present I am not going to the university. I am taking the class from Almora and work at home. And I will write whenever there will be the starting of examination. Earlier, I have asked to the convener that our students' examination will have to be taken by the university, and the convener also written the letter to the university. This is very clear. Ask to others also. Inform to others. Therefore, this is the latest information as UGC has given to all the universities, that UGC has used the word that pen and paper examination. Pen and paper examination, either online or offline. Our examinations perhaps shall be taken offline, because in Uttarakhand such type of situation is not there as it is existing in the Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, Delhi, Bihar, in other states. And I hope that pen and paper examination shall be organized by the university for the student of final semester or final year, including the LLM first semester of Dr. Rajendra Prasad Law Institute, Humayun University. And don't be in confusion that the examination will not be there. This is the final report of the UGC, as UGC has been given. Okay. Then I have said that this is not confined, this paper is not confined. If you will see the syllabus of this paper, it is not confined up to this newspaper and print, but it includes the various segments of the study and a detailed study which is required to be done by the you people. After the background and the summary the very short history, summary on the history of the press, we should have to some information about the history of the film. The film Chalchitra as a universal phenomena in all the countries. You have seen that it is the new development of the last decade of 19th century. That the information is available if you will search and try to understand. This is message for those students who are somehow facing some problem in the English language. Please, the material you will not get in the Hindi language, good material, authentic material. Therefore, collect the material and translate it in your comfortable zone of language. Try for that. And gradually, you will learn the English as well as the Hindi. And if you are getting some source of the Hindi language, that is good. Without the internet, it's not possible, but every student have the internet, they are accessing it. That was the year of the 1895, as you have seen the 28th December in the Paris, and the system of the film was in the black and white. There was no colored. And the duration of the film as a source of information, what we are discussing, our objective is the source of information. Information for the purpose of the motivation, information for the purpose of education, information for the purpose of awareness, and information for the purpose of the dissemination of the knowledge. And other purposes are also there. But the film is one of the source of entertainment and the knowledge, information, education, so on. And that was the era when it has originated the film, the role by the actors on the stage and transmitted to others also. And then in the beginning, there was the duration of the film was maximum 1 hour, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 15 minutes. Very short kind of the film for the purpose of the time was there. And the sound was not clear, no sound was there, only the accents were there in the starting. Gradually developed, and then after the 1 decade and 1819, then continuously 1906 till the 1920. The shape of film Chalchitra changed, and the sound was somehow in understanding position with the action of the actors, and it was attractive for the people to know about the evils and the goods and the better system of particular society by playing the role by the some active actors. That was there. And when the another system developed, advanced system, because the origin of the computerized system in 1950 in USA came into existence or came into the picture or came into the play for the role. And the scientific system of this Chalchitra also changed its shape, duration, sound, method, mechanism, and other parts. It has changed. And now the era of this type of relay is through the digital system. And another change is there. You can say, and it can be observed that there are no picture halls today. Everyone is watching the movie in computer and smartphone of the various countries in various languages, taking the enjoyment and getting the information. Thus, the subject matter is the system of media. And another one word is also there in the beginning under the chapter 1, that is the television. The invention of the television is not old one. It is a origin and the system of the middle 20th century. That is the 1950, near about. And in the beginning, in the form of this television, home videos were there. And there was no complete transmission by the television. But initially, it has started in the 1980 in again black and white relays, drama and full picture, other information, news, and the music has transmitted through the television. And we will see the law on that area also later on. But after the 1990, when in India, computerized era has started. Computerized era has started mostly from the 1990s. In India, I'm talking India, about the India. And from that point of time, about this television, high quality cameras has invented, manufactured either in India or imported. Due to this high quality camera, system of television of the relay the information had in good quality had converted into the good quality. High quality because of the high quality cameras. Digital method developed. Color was also changed from the black and white into the colored. Various channels has started and law has also made to control and regulate these channels. Then the question, there should be one new chapter related to the internet information. That is not there. Because CDC report is available of the UGC for the course, LLM course is 1999. And today, neither the film nor the radio, even if there is no need of the television, only the use of internet. As you know, IT Act came into existence in 2000. And after this Information Technology Act in India, it has amended time to time because of the change of the technology and the use of the technology in the all the part of the official functioning and the use of it in the daily routine. Act enacted. We will this semester we have the time. We will discuss lot about it, and we will see the provisions of IT Act also. And then for the misusing of this IT Act, another interference and interpretation by the court is one of the matter for discussion. And the changing the technology as it is existing today for the use of media. There is no need to wait the newspaper today up to the next morning. Today, whatever is going on in any part of the global system, one can get the information within the 2 minutes, 1 minute, or the same time. At the same time, it can be got the information and receive the information by the informant. The system of media has been changed totally because of the information technology. And that information technology, as you know, is essential for all the purposes, including the education, We are today sitting at our home. There is no problem relating to the rainy season, no problem relating to the snowfall, and no problem of time. No time is there. Class can be taken at night also. If the student is feel comfortable, the education is reaching to the door of the students. And good experienced teachers are discussing the matter from far away. Even if in 1 month, 2 months, or in the years, within the years, the teacher and the student direct meet is not there. That is for the media also. And knowledge economy, it is a economy today, is reaching up to the door of the every person. Newspaper is available on the website known as e-newspaper. Radio news are recorded and available in the website. Television information is also available. Therefore, this should be also the part of your course. But in syllabus, there is no scope and no part has been given as a segment for the students. Okay, whatever is there, but we will discuss. Then one question as a introductory form. Continuously we are discussing the introduction from 1st July. Think over it. That's why always I am emphasizing on the detailed study. Why I have started your class from the 1st July by leaving all my assignment and the other work. Because unless there will be the services of the university, I shall my level best to try to give the more time to the students. The next question is the importance of the free press and other aspects. Time is very short. Zoom is not permitting. In the Google Meet, there is no system for the recording. Recording is also essential part because University Grant Commission has given the directions. There should be the documentary proof. Unless there will not be any proof of this lecture, that will be useless. But gradually I will increase the time by going through either to subscribe of this Zoom or to come in another meeting. We will see later on. Don't worry. Now the question in very quickly, I'm entering and I'm suggesting to you people also, tomorrow if after this over of this important of free press, we will enter into the American system, please. Go through the detailed study of the free press in America by studying the first amendment of the American Constitution. And the cases decided on the ground of the first amendment of American Constitution by the Supreme Court of America. Cases, relevant cases are also there. And you will go through this first amendment after studying the First Amendment, it will be very easy to understand if I will discuss this part of the First Amendment tomorrow. Please, this is my sincere advice to all the students: search the material and collect it, open the file chapter wise, and study the First Amendment. Then quickly come on the importance of the free press and the relevancy of the free press. As you know that constitution of every country where there is a written constitution. Today in most of the country, as I have also expressed in the first semester, that the one can say that there is no written constitution in the Great Britain, but still there is a constitution. I have given the some emphasis, and I shall try to give again and repeat that emphasis which I have already discussed. Now the point for the importance of the free press, first point is the constitutional guarantee. In every country, more or less, direct and indirect, there is a constitutional system. It may be in any form. If there is the constitutional provisions, first relevant and the important point is that constitution gives the guarantee, and that guarantee is provided by the constitutional provisions, which is called the liberty of the people. It is one of the aspect of free speech and expression under this free press. The free press is the part of speech and expression guaranteed by every constitution. This is the most relevant point for the purpose of the importance of this free press, because it is guaranteed. This is one relevant point. Second, informing citizen about the public affairs. If there will not be the role of media, either in any form, maybe in television, maybe internet, maybe radio, maybe in any form, newspaper and so on, if it will not be there, then how one can say the public will aware about, or public will get the education about the system, and public will cultivate its mind in a way so that the public will be very expert in the informatory system and knowing the basic development in the society. Therefore, this is the informating the citizen, or to inform to the citizen about the public affair, about the individual affair, not only the public, individuals affairs. One is knowing that what the acts has been done, committed the corruption, commit the murder, and create the problem in the society, violate the law and order. That is individual affairs. Public affairs. Affairs, not only the public affairs, other affairs means other environmental system is also there, including the forest nature, including the animals, resources. Not only the public affairs, but other affairs also. But some have written that to know about the public affair, my assessment is to know about all the affairs, all the existing information, including the discoveries and all these things, to understand the rights. And one of the right, yesterday I have said, right to dissent, right to criticism, right to know, right to know. This is this is the natural curiosity of the human being, and one want to know what is going on, what the others are doing, and what requires to be done, and what is proper, and what should be avoided. Curiosity, natural aspect of every human being. This is the relevancy. This is the importance of this free press or free media, and it gives the information, and it fulfills the desire of the human being of the knowing. That is the another point. The expose, as I have said, that to disclose some evils, and at the same time to inform to others to by giving some good information relating to the creative activities of the human being and cooperation, love and affection in the society, make a developed society. This is the relevancy of that one. And I will quote here the one of the quotation as Benjamin Franklin said about the free press. This is the invigorates, educate the nation's citizen. It educates, it gives the information to the citizen of the nations. And freedom will be a short-lived possession unless the people are informed. If there will not be any information shall not be given by the through the media, the people will not develop their activity or will not learn something. This is the information a teacher is discussing the matter and taking the support of existing matter which is available in the website or in some sources to educate and to inform and to cultivate the mind of the student. This is the huge of this media also. And internet, today's internet is playing the great role for the development of the society, digital India and digital world community. And that is the aspect of the relevancy as I have quoted. Thomas Jefferson of the American jurist said that the liberty of the press is essential to the security of the state. It is very essential for the security, for the safety, and for the integrity, for the unity, and for the development. He has not used the word the development. How the development is possible without the role of media, without the role of the information? Jefferson rightly said that it is very essential for the security of the state. In the same way, if we will see the quotation given by the Jeremy Bentham. Jeremy Bentham, you are very much aware about the utilitarian thinker and a reformer in the field of law, that publicity is the very soul of the justice. And if there will not be any report and a notification of the law, if there will not be any report and the writing report of the court's judgment, and the open court after some time will be, and today